Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create discounts code on Shopify store. Okay, let's see how to do that. Now I'm in Shopify dashboard. Here you can see on the left side uh, discounts. Click on discounts. Here I don't have any discounts codes. Okay, click on automatic discounts and discount codes. Here I'm going to create discount codes. Click on discount code. Here you need to enter discount code. You can do it manually or you can generate discount code automatically by clicking on generate code, or you can simply type your discount code here. Okay, now I'm going to type my discount code as, let's say, December 10. Okay, here this is our discount code. Here it's a type. This is what type of discount you are going to offer. It is percentage, and it means the percentage of the sale value, 10%, 5%, anything, no fixed amount. You are going to give some fixed amount as discount, or you are going to offer free shipping. When you enter this code, the customer will get free shipping for that item, or you are going to give buy X and get Y. That means buy one get one free, that kind of things. Here on buy X get Y, here you can see customer buys minimum quantity of items. That means when customer buy, for example, if customer buy 5 products, that means 5 products, a specific product, then customer gets another product of from another product quantity as offer, or free, or percent, you give discount as percentage or for free that product. That's here. I'm going to give a percentage discount. Discount value I give 10% discount. After that you can see here again I'm go back, discount code December 10, and type percentage, and discount value is 10% discount, applies to all product, specific collections or specific products. Here I put as all products. Minimum requirements, that means you can put none, or minimum purchase amount. If someone buys some amount as $10, $50, that kind of things, then he will get 10%. Or quantity, if someone buys 10 items or 5 items, 2 items, then he will get this discount. Here I put as none. Then customer eligibility, you give this discount for everyone, specific group of customers or specific customers. That's usage limit, that means limit the number of times of this discount can be used in total, or limit to one use per customer. We can put tick as what kind of, as you wish, as you hope to give your discount. You can tick on tick here. Here I don't put any limits on this discount. Here active dates, today is December 1 and end date, you can set end date to you don't want set. If you want to continue this discount a long time, then you don't want to put end date. If you want to put if you want to add end date, you can tick here, then it will can select the date, then I will put 31st. Okay, then this discount code will end after December 31st. Here on the left side you can see on the right side you can see the summary. December 10 code is December 10% off all products for everyone, active from until December 31st 2020. Okay, now this is the now we have done creating the discount code. Now click on save. Okay, now discount code is saved. If you want to share this discount code, you can get a shareable link by clicking here. This is the discount code link, your site address, then discount code. You can copy link and paste on your website, social media, or anywhere you want to put this code. After that, check. Now we can check this discount code is working or not. Okay, here this is my site, this is my product, then I click on this. Okay, this is the item, and I'm going to buy it now. Okay, here we want that now item price is 20.75. see December 10. Yes, it's working. Here you can see total is 18.68 and our discounts is 2.07. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.